Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making something irresistible, dry pot oyster mushrooms. Look at that! Glossy, sizzling and loaded with flavor. The mushrooms are beautifully dry fried, so they are meaty and chewy, soaking up all those spicy, savory aromas. First up, oyster mushrooms. Just tear them into small bite-sized clusters, like this. I've got a piece of skinless pork belly, and we are slicing it up nice and thin. Now for the veggies, some green chili peppers and red chili peppers, plus the onions. Cut them into chunks. For aromatics, just a few chunks of garlic and ginger. That's all we need. Super simple ingredients. I've listed everything with measurement in the description box, so you can check there. Now let's cook. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Add about a teaspoon of salt and drop in the mushrooms. Give them a quick blanch, just a minute or two. Then straight into cold water, so later when we squeeze them dry, they won't burn our hands. Now heat a little oil in the wok. Add the drained oyster mushrooms to the wok. Stir fry until all the moisture has gone. See that? They are dry and slightly golden. Perfect. Let's set them aside. In the same wok, no oil. Add the pork belly. We are rendering out that fat. Letting it get a little crispy around the edges. Now in goes about 1 tablespoon of Pixian doubanjiang, and give it a good stir so it releases that deep red oil. Next, in with the ginger and garlic. Once they are fragrant, toss in the chilies and onions. Stir fry until everything smells amazing. Now bring the mushrooms back in. Add a tablespoon of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, a little oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of MSG, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir it all together so every bite gets coated in that savory spicy sauce. Right before we finish, sprinkle in some toasted sesame seeds. Turn the heat up high and give it a final toss. Oh, just look at that! Glossy, fragrant, and smells… wow! The mushrooms are so dry fried, they've got that perfect chewy bite, plus a little richness from the pork. It's seriously mouth-watering. Let me taste it for you. Oh man, this is amazing. You've got to try this dry pot mushroom dish at home. It's perfect with rice, or even better with a drink. Absolute perfection. Thanks for watching. See you next time.